the application, I was all smiling.
Yeah, so we want to give the people the number to call and then also the name of the app so they could download it on iTunes and Google Play. The name of the app is Smiley Tax Service. And if also we have a website, smileytax.net. You could visit the website for more information. Our number is 516-673-4677. We open Monday to Saturday, so you could give us a call anytime after 10 a.m. So again, the phone number is 516-673-4677. So what I'm going to talk a little bit about the app. What it provides that you could not only send your tax, you could make an appointment if you decide to come into the office. If you feel more comfortable, coming to the office and access questions, whatever, you could do the appointment through the app also. And then also the app allow you to check when you're gonna get your money.
That's my favorite part of the app.
Yes.
Because when I used to do it, like people will call me, it's been 2 weeks, where's my money?
Yes.
And everything is on the app.
Yes.
Once you submit it, you can follow up on your tax return, and then you can check either it's state or federal when you're gonna get your
money.
And you just everything is pretty simple. You go, if you wanna upload document, it tells you upload documents right here. If you have a good phone, not like mine, and then you take the pictures and then send it, the expert get it right there and get on your tax. And it's like you know what you're doing. It's not that you go and sit and do my tax and then it's like you're doing it automatically, but it's people that's been doing it for over 10 years.
Yes.
And the way the app is designed is very simple.
Yes, very
I really
simple.
like everything about it. And if you go and download Smiley Tax, that's SMILEY, Smiley Tax Services. The logo is like a phone with a smiley faces doing like a wink with the eye. When you see that, you know that Black Coffee Financial Enterprise got you. All you have to do is to sit at the comfort of your house and then just click and play. It's like you're playing game and then you're making money. Next thing you know, a week later, money is into your bank account. We're not talking about any money, we're talking about maximum refund. The app is self-explanatory. You can go for it's like 4-6 menus. You just go one by one. Yeah,
you could. One of the good things is if you have your license, you could just scan your license, and then all the information will populate into the app. So you don't even need to type. So if you too tired to type your information, you just scan your license, it will populate into the app, and then you just have to answer 1 or 2 questions. Whether you're single, married, or so on. And then and also what we did this year is to have where after when your tax is almost done, we could send you a text message. So for you to know that you're gonna get your money and around a certain time. And then we also have an 800 number you could also call to check your refund too. So not only to the app, but you could call also. So this year we wanted to add more stuff. This will make it easier for the client to not only send the tax information, the tax form, but also to find out when they're gonna get their money. Because people they're eager to get their refund. They have bills to pay, so we want to make it easier for them.
Okay. How does it work? Like once I put my information in Smiley Tax Services, the app online, do you receive an email? Is it like
so once you go in, you download the app, and then one way you could make sure that it is an app. When you go on the company, you see a picture, you see a like 60-second commercial we did. You see that is us. So you could check to make sure that you are sending it to the right place. So once you send the information, we get an email, and then the email comes directly to us, and then all your information doesn't come to the email. It just let us know that you send the tax information, and then once you put that code to the email to a tax software, automatically all your information comes. So everything is encrypted. So nobody, even if somebody opened the email, they don't see your information. The same way too, even when you download, you use the app to send your information, everything erased from all your information erased from the app. So it doesn't get to say somebody, use your phone to play video game. They don't see your information after that. Once you send it, it disappears from your phone.
That was gonna be my second questions, because with information being stolen, hacker, people might be reluctant to use the app. But from what you said, security is guaranteed. Once you finish playing with your phone, playing with Smiley Tax, put your information, everything is gone. It is uploaded automatically on your system that is encrypted. The software
encrypted. Nobody gets to see anything in the email. The only me that get to see all the information, it comes straight to the software that we use directly.
That's great. And do you have a special price for people? Do you have a promotion price?
Yes. So what we're doing now, anybody who use the app will get 10% off their tax return. To make it easier. So that means, it's a way for us to, eliminate people waiting online. If you send it to us, it will be done at any hours, of the day. Even sometimes we stay late doing tax season, but your tax will be done within 2 business days. So
10% discount.
10% discount.
I was saying there is something magical with number 10.
Yes. Yes.
So it's easy. Not only it's easy, and then they get on top of that 10% discount.
Correct. Yes.
Wow.
They save gas. Some people save toll instead of traveling. So it's way easy, and you sign everything electronically, and then also that we'll be able to send you your information where anytime you want to get your tax, you have it right there to
and Franklin don't get any traffic tickets.
That's it.
And one thing you didn't notice, you are a licensed broker. You can go.
Yes, I'm an enrolled agent. Enrolled agent. Yes,
IRS
enrolled agent. So what that means is that if you ever get audited, we're able to represent you in front of the IRS or New York State Tax Department. And then if you're not an IRS enrolled agent or CPA, you cannot go and represent somebody in front of the IRS or the New York State Tax Department.
Yeah, because when people receive those letters from IRS, they don't know what to do. They are very scared. When you know somebody's got your back, somebody's been in the business for so long, they know what to do and what not to do, you feel secure. So
and then we also offer audit protection this year to where if you get audited, that they will guarantee you to also represent you. Beside me, where normally I would charge you a fee to go there, but with the audit protection, you pay a small fee, and then you cover for that year whenever something happens. If something will happen, because people don't understand, you get audited not because of the taxpayer. Sometimes it's just that the IRS does a routine audit where they just like I would say, like a lottery, they just choose your name, and then you happen to be the one to get audited. And then it could be simple audit where they just send you a letter, or sometimes they ask you to do a desk audit where you have to go in and bring all your documents just to verify it is you.
Exactly. Yes. Exactly. Because not only it is convenient for you to sit home, and it is safe because your information disappeared right after you finish and put them into the system.
Yes.
And you are protected. You can be protected like some type of insurance.
Yes.
So whatever happened, you are covered. And if anything, Frank Bonham is gonna be there to back you up. Because he is an IRS enrolled agent.
Yes.
Do you have any question, Mr. Wazalia?
As far as I'm concerned, no.
I think we have a caller, DJ Youngly.
Caller, you are on the air. Can you state your name, where you calling from?
Teresa, you're not number 10. You're number 1.
Okay, but go ahead and ask your question. Yes, so it's never best to do your tax to yourself. It's just like if you're sick, do you if you need surgery, do you do your own surgery? If you you need to go to the dentist, do you do your own you call it, whether it's a surgery for your tooth for teeth, whatever. You don't perform your own, because you're not an expert in that area. Because sometimes you're trying to save, $100 to $200, it end up costing you, more than that, $1,000 to $2,000. For instance, I had a client that happened to, because they went to trying to get their tax done for free. So yes, they got it for free, but what happened is that there was a credit that was due to them. The person did not do it right, so they lost that credit. It was like $1,500. So yes, it is not really free. Now that it costs you $1,500 because you lost that credit. Sometimes it's not about the money that you paying; it's the money that you could have get back. Or sometimes that later on, 3 years down the line, you get audit. And so when you get audit, because somebody missed some information or put the wrong information, you end up paying interest for 3 years, from 3 years ago, and then you still have to pay that money back. So it's good to have somebody who know what they're doing and who have experience in that field to help you out.
Exactly. Teresa, we did a show on income tax preparations. I don't know if you watched it or listened to it. We talked about deductions, exemptions. Exactly. So there are so many things that you can claim. All of those terms, they are to reduce your taxable income to make you earn more money. When you work with a professional, they know from the type of job that you're doing, what are the deductions, what are the exemptions you are entitled to. And then they will make the comparison. Either you go standard deductions or itemized deductions that will be better for you. When you pay $100 or $200 to prepare your income tax, and you can sleep with the peace of mind that you get everything that you worked for. Every money that the government took from you, from your hard earnings, you get it back. So you only pay $100 or $200 for that. I think it's worth it. And then now you have Smiley Tax Services that's going to put a smile on your face. You can be sitting home watching your favorite show or watching your favorite team playing, and then you get your maximum refund. And the best thing, it is safe and secure. Your information is not going to be shared with any company, any hackers. And you get your maximum refund. The money is going to go straight into your account. If you want to come back on the radio station and give Franklin 10%, I'll be happy. So the app that we have is Smiley Tax Services. Tell your friend, tell them to tell their friend. It's easy, convenient, safe, and 10% discount.
Yes.
You know that? 10% discount. Thank you very much, Teresa. If we get to 9 callers, please do not call because I don't want to give away that gift card.
All right. Thank you for your call.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Yeah.
Right.
So, I think Vano was about to speak. Sorry.
No.
Yeah.
You guys were asking me about if I had any question about taxes.
Yes.
I said, no, I have none.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you have questions.
Okay, let me ask you that.
Yes.
It's, for example, the person is putting some information to the apps and they made a mistake, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and when you have all the information now, since all the things that they put, like after they send it to you, it's already erased from the apps.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna call the person and say that something was wrong, whatever that is wrong.
Yes.
So they have to go back, and then is there a way they can just send you the exact information about what they do wrong, or they have to do everything?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked that because we have a form where, on the app. It's a request information. Okay. So it's just that one form. So what we normally would do is something like that were to happen, we'll call you or send you a text message saying that something is missing. Can you go to the app and go to the request information form, and we'll tell them what's missing, and then they will put that in the request. It's just that one page, one document that they're sending, so they don't have to go to the whole information again.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah.
We know usually it's just January. Can you give us an